Thank you, sir. Beautiful.
Jonathan, what's your partner's name? Jonathan and Josh, that's over 10. That's good. Any special magic for today?
No, if it wasn't for a screen, we wouldn't have one.
The screen, so y'all worked your butts off. Yeah. Good job. Thank you.
Is that a big old largemouth I'm looking at in here?
Yes, sir.
We locked in at 14.68. We're going to weigh for a big fish. I think he's got a run at it. Give me your name and your team name, partner.
Meriton Waits, team name is Meriton.
Thank you very much. All right, we're zeroed out. Let's see what we got on this big fish. That net's got to go. Thank you, doing well. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, here we go. Here we go. Turn the mic on. Tell me that. This fish is 5.12. That is a largemouth, eh? 5.12, largemouth, big fish. That's the new leader, right, Andy?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. We'll definitely want him in your photographs there. You could almost call him a stud. Yep, you're right. We want to thank everybody again for coming out and putting up with us and helping us run this trail. Y'all seem to be doing a very good job of keeping your fish alive too. Got your live wells working right.
Filler bag. Got it. Where'd y'all catch the big ones?
We caught them up in the grass.
Y'all look up here and see this long line. Give it a minute. Look, line short
Y'all
up.
had a grass pipe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, a little one.
We're getting into some big fish here.
A bunch of fish today. Just had 2 runs of big ones.
I can talk with a strong sack.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Give me your team name and members. Coughlin and Myers. They have locked in at 14.30. 14.30. And they've got one that's going to make a run at the big fish. Maybe the second biggest? Nope, third biggest, 4.13. Nice fish though. Sorry. Just dump it out of the bag. It's easier to dump it than try to grab it. That's why we use these bags. Y'all stop right here and let Terry get your pictures of some of your fish.
Oh, yeah.
Andy Grace, can you tell me how many boats we've weighed in already? Where we're at? We had 17 show up today. It was a good turnout. Thank y'all.
We're doing number 8 right now.
I'm glad everybody was healthy and could come fish.
Got it. Thanks. Fellas, you know everybody.
Tell me a team
Watch this
name
video.
and team members.
Want to learn to tell you on recently what might tell them about the big fish.
All right, Michael Howard, Brett Davis, they locked in at 8.66. Brett, do we have a big fish? All right, no big fish.
Y'all gotta be tired.
Yeah, appreciate it.
We've only weighed 8 bags.
Y'all get on it.
we try to keep the water from building up these scales so we get a good fair weigh in. That's why I'm always slowing down and dumping this box that we weigh in with. Give me a team name and team members. Vice and Steel. That plays a cool name too. Y'all locked in at 13.22. Did y'all have all large mouth or large mouth and spot? Next bag.
Oh, wow. Patience. It's taking a lot of patience. Yeah.
Congratulations to the big one.
Feeling abandoned over here.
Nope. Team name, team members, what you got? Five Alive Fishing. They just locked in at 9.82. 9.82. Do we have a big fish in this bag? He said new. Y'all make sure to get your picture with Mr. Terry.
What you go to?
Please.
We call them jerk bait and square bills.
Where is it? Where's the jerk bait? Grass or just rocks? Congratulations.
My line.
Is one of y'all Chad?
My line is starting to get short.
That's me.
We can send a few up here.
Chad, since you gave your name up.
Give me a name and a team name if you got one.
We did.
You found five, bitch.
Ramsey and Angle.
Mouth with little mouth.
These guys just locked in with 11.93. 11.93.
Top water.
This speaker is real peculiar. You can't hear me. Holler at me and I'll work on doing better.
I hadn't heard anybody say they found a pole. Everybody said, oh, look.
That's it. That's it. On top of everybody.
Thank God.
Hey, Chad. Yes, sir. Did you check on the? I did. Yeah, they were back out.
You ready?
You ready? Got the bag. Fellas, what'd y'all get?
11.93.
Oh, hey, that's good. Come on, who's gonna give everybody a crumb? Where'd you catch most of? What were you doing?
I'll tell you, we went from top to bottom.
Y'all remember we are who we perceive to be.
Oh my goodness.
So when we're up here doing these interviews, you're a pro.
Was it shallow?
Show off.
Shallow.
Talk to them.
This
This is your chance to shine.
I believe that, yeah.
You think it, you believe it, it'll
been a
be.
mixed bag, some kind of grass, some kind of in the rocks.
We couldn't find none in the grass. We tried.
Give me a team member. Let me get some names.
Can you hold it?
Collins and Pollard. These guys are kind of old like me. 11.98. But Mr. Pollard is the youngest old man I know. He knows a lot. Y'all go over here and get your pictures made. There's Mr. Pollard coming into place.
Hold up now, that's a good sign. Did Chuck catch any of those?
We got fish in there. I need a team member to talk to. Oh my goodness, we got Big Fish Bobby, self-proclaimed Big Fish Bobby now. And give me your partner's name. Gator and Big Fish Bobby have locked in at 10.47.
Got
I'm seeing a lot of those bags close to that. Good job, guys. Is it a mix? Mix, okay. A lot of mixed bags too, yeah.
We burned about a gallon of gas.
Mr. Pollard,
Y'all get ready.
did you catch all these fish or did you park your chuck?
Please.
Caught one.
He caught one. I mean, you carrying a lot of weight. Rumor had it y'all were fishing the tournament on Eufaula yesterday, and today you're on Neely Henry.
Fish you fall on a Friday, Thursday, and Friday. We got Mitchell in the morning.
Y'all might be a little bit tired.
That sounds hardcore to me, Kyle.
Congratulations.
Mr. Pollard.
We're going to want everybody who is in the money to please remain and have some photographs made for us.
Got it.
Even if you don't get a big check, please remain and get photographs made. Andy, you ready to play?
All right, fellas, how was the day? Could have been better. It's always could be better. That's
What team do I have here? Who am I talking to?
wasn't working.
Brian and Gary. They have locked in at 8.61. Y'all got a mix or
Come on now.
one spot in the rest lower class? You have 5 of them? Cool deal.
Come on now. You ain't got Mike up here?
Andy, you ready?
Okay.
All right. Jeremy, congratulations. You couldn't get your partner Mike up here, but what'd y'all do?
I need a team today.
Really? I guess you're
I need a new
Oh,
microphone.
wow.
It hooks to my collar.
I should have told congratulations.
I'll put it on my Christmas list. We got Right and Right. What's the name of your team? The Hook Set Mafia. Cool name. Oh, there's a little weight in here. Hook Set Mafia has locked in at 15.53. Do we have a big fish in here we need to look at? Set it up. Let's weigh it. We may have a big fish. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to look at it. Preston, can you throw me that blue towel right there under that bag or shirt that we use as a towel? Thank you. Right there, clear. Thank you. Or clear there is actually the cycle. Yeah, it's all in there. You can just lay it right there if it's calm. All right, Right and Right going for a big fish. Hook Set Mafia. They just locked in at 4.38. 4.38. I think they may be a little shy. Correct me if I'm wrong. Good job, fellas. Let Terry get a picture of that beautiful fish.